Welcome back to our series on learning how to crochet. In this video we're going to learn how to do the slip stitch. The slip stitch is can make a very dense fabric and has very little height. It's frequently used in conjunction with other stitches in a crochet project. So here's our foundation chain from the first video. And so to do a slip stitch, we're just going to go into the first stitch there, into the first little V, and we're going to grab the yarn and we're going to pull it through both loops. Okay? So once again, you go through the little top V of the stitch, you grab the yarn and pull it through one loop and then through the other loop. Again. One loop, and then the second loop. As you can see, that's creating quite a short, dense little piece of fabric. Slip stitches can be very useful, especially when creating edgings or adding things onto a project. It's definitely something to know. So through top V, grab the yarn and pull it through both loops. And there you have it. That is the slip stitch. Stay tuned and we will be back with more crochet stitches.